Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so right up here is IFT, and then there's also kind of a mountaintop that I could see from a distance, and I'm going to try to see if I can get up there. Some pretty interesting housing around this whole area, and there's some okay, actually kind of a little bit curious what's over here too. Let's see. So we're gonna walk up that. Let's just see. Oh, it's like some kind of parking lot. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna walk straight up this way. This is called IFT, and we're gonna see if we can get all the way around. Hua de Mong-Há. Some schools. So this is IFT right here, and we're gonna see if we can just walk up and beyond it. And this is actually one of the pretty good place for local students to study, because they'll learn about like hospitality, like tourism. Actually, that's part of the university there too. I think we're gonna see if we can go all the way around it and up further up to the top of that mountain. You can see right here. We're gonna try to go up here, and there's a big park. Okay, so let's just see how far we can get up there. And the sun's going down, so it's like our time isn't that much ready, isn't enough to do much. Okay, and this is the entrance to IFT. So yeah, they do tourism stuff. They do like gaming for casinos, training people how to. The English teachers teach them how to deal with the international gaming expectations. Vocabulary. Chefs also study there. So okay, looks like some other people are coming up here too, and I'm gonna keep my breath to a minimum, and I want the camera to be working. This camera is turning off all the time now when it gets overheated. Okay, we're still walking up the hill. This is the Posada de Mong-Há, so I guess this is called Mong-Há, this little mountain part. And this is actually a hotel, so people will stay here. I've known people who have stayed here before, and they really like it a lot. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking all the way up to the top here. We're already kind of getting a view of everything. All right, there's a dog park, and we're still not quite up at the top yet, but education and a restaurant, so people can eat. There's a library, so I think this is all part of the university here that's up on the hill like this. And you have this, there's definitely places you can walk down, but we're gonna try to catch a little play area as well. And I think we can go up that way or that way. So we're gonna try one of those two. So yeah, it looks so nice in here. So yeah, I think people are coming this way, but I think they also might be going up that way. Let me just see, I think we're gonna go up. There's a cannon right there too. So I think we're going to try to see if we can go, there's this direction, and we can follow, or we can go up there. Let's just go up to the top. Yeah, there's a cannon right there too. So we're going to maybe we'll follow the cannon and go up this way. There's no steps for this other way. It's nice up here. Yeah. Someone was going to try to teach it in Macau. The Institute of Fashion Technology, IFT, might be a really good place to teach. They pay well, for one, and then you get to live with an access, you get to work with an access of the park like this. It's amazing. So, okay, let's get up to the top, and then we'll film and save our battery. So here's some of our first glimpses of the city, so you can see a little bit. Let's see if we can keep getting up there and getting to see more. So we'll take a look in a minute. And it looks like, actually, I think this actually goes in a bit of a loop. So we might be going downhill and around, but actually what I want to do is go up there. So we might have to go back and go back the way that we came, and then we have to, hello. And then we have to go back down again, and then we can try to get up to that top right up there. So we'll see if we can or not. But I can definitely, yeah, there's some people right there. So that's all we got to do. All right. Okay, there's a canyon right there. And you can see, I can see the ocean all the way over there. So and then we have Grand Lisboa right there. So we're gonna go up to the top. And you can see it says 1866. So this was probably built by the Portuguese. And we're almost at the top here. And we're gonna come up on it and see what we can see. And hopefully, there's another canyon right there. Okay, yep. Let's see what we can see. Cranes. Here's a cannon. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Okay, I think this is the, I think that goes to the Zhuhai side. Yeah, it looks amazing. Okay, so let's just take a look, see what more we can see here. There's another cannon. So it looks like good place to watch the sunset. Another cannon here. Okay, there's the racetrack. So that used to be the dog racetrack right there. See if we can get another view of it. Might be able to get another view. Take a look. Hello. Hello, how are you? Good. So a lot of people hang out right up here, I guess. So I think we're gonna be able to see the dog market up here. Yeah, there it is right there. So yeah, you get to see. So now the dog market's a racetrack. But that was a dog market, so earlier we saw a greyhound. So yeah, this is amazing. So you're actually able to see it. That's that purple building is part of Zhuhai. There's Macau Tower right there. There's Grand Lisboa. So yeah, amazing. So we're actually able to see the city from here. All these tall buildings here. So I think that other time when I filmed over here, I filmed in these tall buildings once. I walked down by this racetrack and I filmed kind of in the middle of it. And I kind of wandered around to this inner harbor area. It's on the other side. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. But yeah, those little stands is where the dog track used to be. They used to run around this, but now they converted it. And I heard they're going to convert it into a school as well. I think there's going to be like a couple schools that are going to use up this land. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, in the middle there's still kind of like a soccer stadium and a race road track. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. And then this is where Little Four Corners was at. I filmed in that space, and from there I could film and see this up here. So yeah. So maybe you saw that film, or if you didn't, you can. This is going to be well, yeah. Now you get to see it from up above. Amazing. Well, I think I'm going to turn off the camera and just enjoy. Wish I had access to water or something. I'm kind of surprised a lot of people sit on this space, because as you go down, you're going to go down hard, break some bones. Anyways, this is pretty cool. Mong-Ha, it's called Mong-Ha. Yeah, pretty cool space. We got this giant canyon right here too. So yeah, it's quite serene here. Just watching all these tall buildings and just being up so high like this. It's amazing. The sun is starting to, sunset is coming down. People are dancing over there. Amazing. Cool. Yeah, it's incredible. It'd be interesting if those trees were removed. It would feel funny. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down a little bit, and I guess we're gonna end this one. So it's been pretty interesting. So just end it right there. And when I came up through IFT, but I'm coming down in this whole other area. So there's like a whole other park that goes all the way up here, and there's like a lot more to it, and there's more to this. So I don't know. Looks like this park is called Mong-Ha, and it's just and it's not just part of IFT. I guess goes up near there, and that's where I came up from. But it doesn't really mean that that's all that it is. There seems like there's a lot more to it. So there's all these apartments right here, and we're just gonna keep following it all the way down. So yeah, pretty interesting. And as you can see, as we go around these corners, it's gonna go right into these apartments and down into the street again. So yeah, it's a pretty nice park. Just get up a little bit into the hills and all kinds of cool stuff. And there's kind of a wall of apartments right here that we're gonna be looking into from this space. So, okay, let me just get right in this space. So yeah, that's gonna be one of the entrances right there. And then basically we went all the way up into there. So we went all the way up into that space up there, I think it was. So we're just gonna head on down. So yeah, that's called Mong-Ha. Mong-Ha. So looks like it's raining too. So I guess this kind of goes right into this apartment, and it goes right into this. So okay, anyways, Mong-Ha. So let's close it out.
Toma cuidado la porfía.